खाली आहेत. शिंदे साहेब आता आज उद्यामध्ये जे निर्णय घेतील त्यातून तुम्हाला आज दोन प्रवक्ते तर आहेतच, पण पुढचे महाराष्ट्राचे देशाचे प्रवक्ते आहेत त्याच ठिकाणी आहेत. राज्याची लिस्ट शिंदे साहेबांनी काही बदल त्याच्यात करू इच्छितात तर पुढच्या 2-3 दिवसात त्यांच्या नेतृत्वाखाली ज्या मीटिंग होत आहेत त्याच्यातून तुम्हाला सगळी माहिती मिळेल.
जैन जी जो है ना शरद पवार साहबाकडे मोठ्या आदराने पाहतो. घर बनाने के लिए एक मजबूत पाया चाहिए और उसको आबाद करने के लिए बुजुर्गों को छाया चाहिए.
PM Modi has announced the free online coaching classes for the competitive exams and a big announcement for the Gen Z, even AI training they are giving.
I think it's even for the parents. So I think it's very good news. I hope it's implemented flawlessly all over India because there was absolutely no regulation or regulator. And most parents, I think, were drained with the high cost of education plus these fees for competitive exam. I hope it's a landmark. Of course, we welcome such good progressive decisions by the government, but I hope the quality is maintained. That is most important.
Will AI training create a job? What do you think?
Oh, this only time will tell. It's very difficult. You remember when this government came into power. In 2014, they had committed to 2 crore jobs a year. That has not happened. So we'll have to wait and watch. It's too early to say how this is going to unfold.
The Prime Minister has asked for support from all opposition parties for the Women Reservation Bill. What's your take on it?
Women's Reservation Bill was passed in 2023. We've already passed it. In one voice, with one vote together, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha has already passed the Mahila Arakshan Bill in Lok Sabha and in Vidhan Sabha in 2023. It's already passed.
Thank you. Ma'am, additionally, about the Naxalism, Prime Minister also mentioned how the armed Naxals are no longer in power and there are some Dimagi Naxals is a term that he has used, the ideological Naxals that we have to fight. Who are those people he is referring to?
I have no idea. I have absolutely no idea about that.
Is it about the urban Naxals that...
How would I know? You'll have to ask the Honorable Prime Minister that question because I have no idea about this concept.
Thank you. What do you think about the action that Amit Shah has initiated on the Naxalism overall?
I think there's a lot of data coming out from the Home Ministry about Naxalbad and the government has taken some strong steps. As a matter of fact, the Home Ministry in Maharashtra also, especially in the areas of Gadchiroli, has had effective results over the last few years. Governance is continuity. So government after governments have managed to stop any violence in this country, but unfortunately the crime in Maharashtra has gone up substantially, and that's not my data. Government of India's Home Ministry data says that crime in Maharashtra has gone up, and Pune is number 5th in the country and 1st in Maharashtra for crime. That is not my data, it's Home Ministry data. Home Ministry is led by Amit Bhai Shahji.
Do you think there was anything missing from today's speech in terms of the recent protests?